Hello, I'm Ruslan, and I will show you how to repair a puncture. First, pump air into the tube. Can you feel air coming out against your face? You can also check for bubbles underwater. Using a pen, mark the puncture clearly on the tube. Clean the surface of the tube with sandpaper. Spread rubber liquid in a very thin layer, the same size as the patch. Then wait for about 3 minutes. Finish by removing the patch from its backing and press it strongly onto the tube. If you find the puncture, it helps to avoid another one. Punctures are often caused by glass. The glass can still be in the tire, so you need to check for that. Sometimes punctures are caused by other things, like a spoke from the wheel. The best ways to avoid punctures are keeping enough air in the tires, spending a bit more money on puncture-resistant tires, making sure your tires are not too worn before replacing.